Let's learn how to change alt text color in Premiere Pro. Like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. To change the color of all text layers, start by selecting all text layers in the timeline. Hold Shift and click on each text layer, or drag to highlight multiple layers. Once all text layers are selected, go to the Essential Graphics panel, click on the Appearance tab, and locate the Fill option. Click the color box next to Fill, and the color picker will appear. Here are the options in the color picker. Solid color, apply a single color to all selected text layers. Click on your preferred color or enter a hex code for precision. Linear gradient, blend two or more colors linearly across all text layers for a smooth gradient effect. Adjust direction and spread for a consistent look. Radial gradient, create a circular gradient effect on all text layers, blending colors from the center outward. Adjust the center point and spread to fit your design. Click OK to apply your changes, and all selected text layers will update with the new color or gradient. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.